So, toy reviews. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this either. So, first up, we will have this magic kit. And then, we will have some toxic slime that I bought from the cheapest place at the store. Okay, first up, we have this magic kit. Give me a second. I figured it out. See, I have a coin in there. And then watch, there should be no way that it can go through the coin, but it did. Wow. That is That's We're gonna need these two. Okay, so first, I'm gonna ask you, they're both the same size, right? But watch this, it's magic. Oh my god, which one's bigger now? Ooh, magic! Now the moment all you dingle-dongles have been waiting for, slime! So this one might get messy, so the power of, oh shoot, the bowl, This liquid or snot? Ew. Heck is this? Ectoplasm? What the heck? Oh, smells like fish.